Hi everyone. This is a tutorial video on how to make a dot plot chart. A dot plot chart is a variation of a bar chart, and just like one, it is great for comparing a dataset over a single variable. It is perfect for visualizing the distribution of data points in time, as it is a graphic representation of a category axis and a value axis. It can be used to chart real values against expected or projected ones, to visualize the revenue and profit of different product lines, or even show the place different datasets occupy in a ranking. This is the chart we're going to create today. Let's get started. We go to vislo.com and type in dot plot chart to find it in the 100 plus portfolio. The first thing we want to do is find the right look for our chart. We can choose from the many predetermined themes available or create our own to match your corporate image. Once we are ready, we click on the title and start typing what we want. Selecting the elements in the canvas will allow us to edit them. This means we could add our complete information this way, with the help of the active sidebar. However, you are most likely to have your data ready to be visualized and would prefer to input it via the spreadsheet. In here, you can edit all cells individually by clicking and typing in your information. We also have the toolbar available, for example, to add or delete columns or rows, or to override the automatic category colors of your theme. If you prefer, you can also choose the import file option to bring a whole datasheet into Vislo. Or you can simply do copy-paste of your chart like you would in any other spreadsheet. Once our data is ready, we can improve the appearance of our chart with the help of the Appearance tab. In here, you can format your axis individually, like show and hide the x-axis in grid, or give it a name. With the y-axis, we can also customize the precision of our values. Choose our decimal mark, our thousand separator, add a prefix or a suffix. Show or hide the axis, grid, and individual values. Sometimes it will make sense with your data to add a custom minimum or maximum value, so this is where we'd do it. Lastly, you can choose to transpose your chart to a horizontal view. Once our chart looks exactly how we wanted it to, we're ready to export and share our work. We can download it in different formats, or create a sharing link with viewing or edit rights for our colleagues. And we've done it! We've created a dot plot chart as easily as we can update it whenever we want. Don't forget to come back for more useful tutorials on charting and data visualization.